Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today I'm here to tell you all about the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome to this channel. If you find my video helpful, please consider subscribing because I talk a lot about beauty, fragrances, and hopefully you will join me in my journey. And if you are my returning subscribers, thank you so much for following me and supporting me all this time. And now you will need to let me know how you feel about my new camera lens setting and also my new lighting and audio situation because I'm trying to amp up my quality of my videos. So let me know. But today is all about this beautiful product from Charlotte Tilbury. I am a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury. I made a lot of videos about her products, eyeshadow, foundation, and this is probably my top 3 favorite products from Charlotte Tilbury. This is kind of magic in a bottle in a way, but first of all, let's get about a little bit of information about this product and then we'll talk about my opinion afterwards. So it retails for 44 US dollars for 1 fluid ounces, which is 30 milliliters. Now, maybe you know this, but she just expanded the range of colors of this product because it didn't have enough shades at the beginning. So I think it's a great idea that she's doing that for this holiday season because this is a great product. She needs more people to try this. Now there are 16 shades and there are a few of the shades are now available in mini. So you can get them for $15 just to try them out, which is a great idea. I highly recommend that so that you can see how you feel before you commit to a full size. And this smaller mini size will be 5.5 milliliters, which is 0.18 fluid ounce. That is great. This is a complexion booster that blurs, smooths, and illuminates for the real life filter effect. Wow, and the highlighted ingredients is supposed to have finely milled powders to blur line and pores for a smoother, soft focused look. It's supposed to be having flower extract. It's supposed to have glossy oil, parabens, sulfates, SLS and SLES, gluten and cruelty free. It's inspired by media filters. Charlotte created this to be a confidence glow filter. It can be used as a tinted primer under foundation, mixed with foundation, or as a highlighter on high point of the face. The light as air formula moisturizes for up to 24 hours while smoothing and visibly brightening skin for a radiant finish. There are a lot of claims and I have to agree, to be honest, but I will tell you in a little bit my favorite way to apply this product. So this is mine right here. This is in the shade 3 medium. Mine is used, very well loved. You can see this is not the best lettering on this bottle because it really fade away quickly if you put it next to other products and it like touch each other, but it's fine. The important part is the product inside. So the 3 light medium is a little tiny bit lighter and slightly cooler than my skin tone. I have medium olive skin tone, which is perfect for the use. This is not a super pigmented product like a concealer or foundation. This is more of like a tinted glow boosting kind of a primer. There are 3 ways to use this product. One, you can use it underneath your makeup to be a primer, like a blurring glowy primer, as well as use it by itself just like for a glow booster. The second way is to mix it with your foundation to add a little bit of that glow to it. The third way, which is my favorite way, and that is the way I will demonstrate it for you, is to apply it on the high points of the face for Hollywood Flawless Glow. And if you're familiar with the new Mario Master Secret Glow, in the description box, so make sure you check it out so you can see them side by side and how different they are. But the Mario Secret Glow, in short, is just a glow, like a balmy kind of a glow. It's a clear kind of a lip balm consistency, and when you apply it on your face, it just looks wet. But this one is a little bit different. It's it right here. Is beautiful clear bottle. You can see the liquid, the shade inside. It's not super pigmented, so you don't need to get your perfect shade, but depend on what you want to use it, how you want to use it, you might get like a slightly lighter, slightly darker shade or exact shade. That's one thing I don't like about this product, and it's this, because I feel like every time I open it, it gets exposed to air, and I don't like my beauty products to do that. But I wish it was like a tube or a pump, but this also is a good way for on the go because it's really, really quick. Let me swatch it for you in case you want to use it by itself. So it barely has any pigment. It's just kind of brighten the skin a little tiny bit. This hand has it and this hand doesn't have anything. And you can see it's just a glow booster, and it's smoothing in a way that is very, very strange. I guess the powder extract within the product really explain the reason why it's so blurring and smoothing, but it is kind of like a filter. So let me demonstrate that part for you. So what I like to do is just a little bit. You don't really need a lot of it. So I just basically put it wherever I want a glow. I usually use my beauty blender. Oh, I need a haircut today. And that's it. This is without any highlighter. This is with the Hollywood Flawless filter. I think we can all see the difference. It is not super wet looking, but it is very, very glowy, and it is smoothing. It doesn't emphasize the skin texture like sometimes powder highlighters do, and also liquid highlighters too, because if something is shiny, it will emphasize texture, but because of the special effect that this product gives you, it kind of blurs and highlight at the same time. Is the strangest thing. It is not sticky, it is not junky, it is not metallic. It's just a beautiful Hollywood luxurious glow, and throughout the day it doesn't fade, it doesn't get oily, it just kind of stay in place and enhance your natural beauty, and it makes you so youthful, so beautiful, and so healthy looking. Now that we are loving it so much, go to town with it. Another thing is that with this product, it is very hard to go overboard with it because it's so beautiful, it's so undetectable, it's so soft. You can pile it on and it just gives you a little more every time you layer it. I really like it. I think it's so natural, it's so healthy, and it's so pretty, and it gets better and better as the day goes on. And it's so versatile. You can use it by itself with just sunscreen and skincare, and you will be ready. You look like you're healthy and natural, and you can also use it with your foundation. You can use it on top of your makeup, and I have powder on and I use it on top of powder, and it's just fine. So yeah, I love this product. It is on the top favorite list from Charlotte Tilbury collection for a reason. I think the hype is totally real. I've been using it for probably almost 2 years now, and a little bit goes a long way. So I still have a lot of products in here, and it's so fast, easy to use, and now there are more shades and the mini size. So I don't see why you don't want to try it out and just see for yourself. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you find it fun and helpful, and I hope you like this product. Let me know in the comment section below if you have this product before. Do you like it? How do you like to use it? Or if you haven't tried it out, will you try it after watching this video? I'm very curious. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's time, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, don't flop.